What is high idle RPM? Why is it a problem? Today, we're tackling the P0507 engine fault code, a common sign of this issue. Fixing it quickly is crucial for your car's health and performance. Let's dive into understanding and resolving this problem. P0507 means your idle control system RPM is higher than expected. Your car's engine control unit, or ECU, constantly monitors this. It ensures smooth operation, so when the RPM is off, it triggers the P0507 code. Understanding this is the first step. One major culprit for P0507: vacuum leaks. These can occur in hoses, intake, manifold gaskets, or the PCV valve. Even a small leak can cause big problems, leading to unmetered air entering the engine and disrupting idle speed. A faulty idle air control, or IAC valve, is another common cause. If it's stuck open or malfunctioning, your engine will idle too high. Throttle body issues, like carbon buildup or a stuck throttle plate, can also lead to P0507. This restricts proper air regulation. Furthermore, a faulty throttle position sensor, or TPS, can send incorrect signals to the ECU, causing an elevated idle. A stuck open EGR valve can create vacuum leaks, disrupting your engine's idle. This often contributes to the P0507 code. Incorrect readings from your mass airflow, or MIFS sensor, can trick the ECU into demanding higher RPMs. This directly impacts idle speed. If your engine coolant temperature sensor is faulty, the ECU might think the engine is cold, causing it to idle higher than necessary. How do you know if you have high idle RPM? Your engine will rev higher than normal, even when in neutral or park. You might also experience difficulty shifting gears, especially in automatic transmissions, due to the elevated engine speed. Other symptoms include increased fuel consumption, engine hesitation or stalling when coming to a stop, and the illuminated check engine light. Diagnosing P0507 starts with a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious vacuum leaks, loose hoses, or any damaged components. Next, use an OBD2 scanner. Read the P0507 code and check live data for RPM, MAF, TPS, and ECT readings. This provides crucial insights. For vacuum leaks, a smoke test is invaluable. A smoke machine can pinpoint even the smallest leaks, making them visible. Cleaning the throttle body and IAC valve is often a good first step. Carbon buildup can significantly impact their function. You can also test components like the IAC valve and MUF sensor using a multimeter or diagnostic tools to confirm their operation. Once diagnosed, solutions include repairing vacuum leaks by replacing hoses, gaskets, or the PCV valve. This restores proper air intake. If cleaning isn't enough, replacing the IAC valve is necessary. A new valve ensures precise idle control. Throttle body service, including cleaning or replacement, can resolve issues caused by carbon buildup or mechanical failures. If the EGR valve is found faulty, replacing it will prevent further vacuum leaks and restore proper exhaust gas. Addressing MAF sensor issues, either by cleaning or replacement, ensures accurate air intake measurements for the ECU. Finally, if the ECT sensor is providing incorrect readings, replacing it will allow the ECU to accurately determine engine temperature. Preventative maintenance is key. Regular engine cleaning and maintenance, along with periodically checking hoses and vacuum lines, can prevent P0507. Addressing minor issues before they become major problems saves you time and money in the long run. Stay proactive with your car's health. In conclusion, addressing the P0507 fault code promptly is vital for your vehicle's performance and longevity. Don't ignore the signs. Whether you tackle it yourself or seek professional help, resolving high idle RPM ensures a safer and more efficient driving experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content like this.